Hi friends, welcome to Curie Electronics. This is the first lecture on multiple choice questions, and today we are focusing mainly on voltage and current. So we'll start. This will be useful for ITI and diploma holders for various competitive government exams like ISRO, DRDO, public sector, BSNL, all those recruitments. So we'll start the first question. First question. If 60 joule of energy are available for every 15 coulomb of charge, what is the voltage? There is a relation between energy and charge, that is E equal to Q into V, E in joules. So here we have energy of 60 joule of energy available for 15 coulomb of charge. Now if we apply here 60, what is the voltage? We have to find out the voltage. Q equal to 15 coulomb. V. What is V? V equal to 60 divided by 15. It comes to 4. So the answer is option A, 4 volt. Question number 2. An atomic number is determined by the number of. What is the atomic number? How it is determined? So we will consider one atom, that is silicon atom we will consider. Silicon atomic number equal to what? Atomic number equal to 14 for silicon. So this is the nucleus, first orbit, that is then second orbit and the third orbit. The first orbit there are 2 electrons. Second orbit can accommodate 8 electrons. So it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. So now 10 left with 4 electrons. These are the valence electrons. So all semiconductor material will have 4 electrons in the valence band. Okay. So now the question is how the atomic number is decided. Atomic number equal to number of protons. Number of protons. There are 14. So atomic number is equal to number of protons. In a neutral atom, number of protons is equal to number of electrons. But electrons can be easily removed from the atom or added to the atom. So we will consider the protons only. Question number 3. Which of the following statement is true? Unlike charges repel and like charges attract. It is false. Like charges repel and unlike charges attract. This is true. That is, a positive charge will attract negative charge. This will be attractive force. A positive charge will attract a negative charge attraction. And like charges, like minus, they will repel each other. They will repel. Similarly, plus also, positive charge also. Question number 4. What is the basic difference between a fuse and a circuit breaker? See, this is a fuse. Once it blows off, we have to throw it off and use a new one. But circuit breaker, it trips. This switch comes down, it trips. Right? After rectifying the problem, we can put it back. The fuse is reusable. So option A, fuse is slower. No. A fuse is reusable. It's not reusable. A circuit breaker is reusable. Answer is option C. A circuit breaker is reusable. And the next question. A, a secondary cell generates DC via chemical activity. A primary cell generates DC. All cells generate DC chemically. Chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. Question number 6. A short circuit will have, in a circuit when short circuit happens, high current flows. See, we have a voltage source here. Let us assume 100 volt, and we have a resistor here, 10 ohm. Current flows. But if we short circuit these 2 points, what happens? If we short circuit what these 2 points, what happens? It will almost the source will shut down, or it will may explode. So there, this point during the short circuit, current will be minimum. That is, current will be maximum. At short circuit, current will be I short circuit. In a short circuit, I will be max. Current will be maximum. So a large current flow. A short circuit will have a large current flow. An example of potential energy. Out of this, battery is an example of potential energy. Something called chemical. There is some term called chemical potential energy. Chemical potential energy. This is related to battery. Chemical potential energy. Question number 8. If 40 coulomb of charge flow past a point in 20 seconds, what is the current? Q equal to IT. Q equal to IT. What is Q? 40 coulomb of charge. And I we have to find. What is the time? Time is given us 20 seconds. So I equals 40 divided 40 upon 20. That is equal to 2. So 2 amps of flow, 2 amps of current flow through the point. Question number 9. Battery differ from a fuel cell in that battery is a closed system. Battery is a closed system. And a fuel cell produces energy from from chemical action. From chemical action. But battery stores energy. Battery stores energy. Battery stores energy. Then we go to the 10th question. What type of switch is this? See, this is the pole. This is a single pole double throw switch. Single pole double throw SPDT switch. Now this is what? This is a single pole single throw SPST switch. Now if you have a switch like this, this is known as double pole double throw switch. Double pole double throw switch. Question number 11. Primary batteries, unlike secondary batteries, primary batteries can be used only once. Primary batteries can be used only once. But secondary, use again and again. You can use again and again, like a second hand item. Second hand item. Okay, reusable. Secondary batteries are reusable. Question number 12. In practical applications, battery voltage, what happens? Is restored as soon as disconnect occurs, is lowered as the load increases, may be stored indefinitely, will be reduced to zero as power is drawn. Battery voltage will be it will reduce the terminal voltage when load increases. Answer is option B. Question number 13. A lead acid battery is an example of secondary battery. Okay. For what is the example of primary battery? It's a dry cell. Whatever we buy in shops, 1.5 volt, that is used for this remote and all. That is the dry cell. The solar cell. Solar cell. What is this? This solar provides DC voltage. The output of a solar panel is DC, and efficiency is 10 to 15%. So maximum is 15%. 10 to 15% efficiency it provides. Question number 14. A voltmeter is used to option A to measure current, option B in series with the circuit, option C in parallel with the circuit. So now you see, now we have a battery here, we have one resistor and one more resistor. We want to read the voltage here. What do you do? We will connect the multimeter. We will connect the multimeter parallel to this resistor. So it is mesh connected parallel with the circuit. Voltmeter is always connected parallel with the circuit. What is the name of the pressure that moves electron in a closed circuit? See, now we have a resistor here. We will connect a battery here. What happens? Because of this voltage, electrons moves. Electron will move towards this side. This will be the direction of electron flow, but current flow will be this way, opposite to the electron flow. So voltage is the pressure which makes electrons to move in a circuit. Question number 16. Nice number. If the current in a circuit equals 0 ampere, it is likely that the current is 0. That means what? The circuit is open. Circuit is open. Short, when circuit is short, max current will flow. Question number 17. Current equals, what is current? I equal dq by dt. That is, what is the unit of charge? Coulombs by time. That is option A, coulombs by time. Question number 18. What are the unit and symbol for current? Very simple question. What is the unit for current? Ampere. Coulomb, no, ampere. Ampere and symbol. Unit is ampere and symbol for current. No, this is not correct answer. This is the correct answer because unit is ampere, but we use I to represent current. That is the symbol. Question number 19. Which part of an atom has no electrical charge? In the nucleus, what is there in the nucleus? Proton and neutron. But neutron doesn't have charge. Neutron, no charge. It is free charge, free of charge. That is answer is option B. Now, the statement is 1 coulomb passing a point in 1 second. What is I equal to qt? That is 1 coulomb of charge. If 1 coulomb of charge passes through in 1 second, it is 1 ampere. Question number 21. How many valence shell electrons are there in semiconductor atoms? I already explained to you the silicon. For germanium, what is the atomic number of germanium? 32. So how do you arrange? This is the nucleus, first orbit, second orbit, third orbit. My drawing is poor. Please bear with me. Now, this is the first electron. The first orbit will have this is silicon. Germanium atomic number is 32. 2. Next orbit will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I got changed. Okay, we'll adjust it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second orbit has got 8 and the third orbit will have 18. So, and this is 2. That is 10, 28. And the remaining 4 electrons will be in the outer valence shell. So there are 4 valence electrons in the semiconductor material. That is silicon, germanium, etc. Question number 22. When considering conventional current versus electron flow. Okay, so we have a battery here, we have a simple resistor, simple circuit. Now what is the direction of current flow? Current flow. I will take it. I will flow from positive terminal of the battery. I flows like this. But what is the electron flow? Electron flow will be just opposite to this. See, electrons will be moving like this. So when considering conventional current versus electron flow, conventional current flow came first. The direction of current is same in both methods. No. Conventional current flow came first. Protons move in conventional current flow. Electron current flow came first. First, the conventional current flow has come. That is why now also we use the conventional current flow. Now similarly, in the diode, we have a symbol. Diode symbol is like that. That is, this is the direction. This diode symbol is based on conventional current flow. How this symbol is based on means it is based on conventional current flow through it. Question number 23. Which unit of charge contains, see this, which unit of charge contains 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons? Now, electrons can be removed from a material or added to a material in discrete number only. We cannot take half of the electron. You have to take a complete electron. So now I'll draw you one. Now, what is Q? Q is the charge in coulombs. That is equal to number of electrons multiplied by electron charge. Now what he is saying? He is now our charge is 1 coulomb. Assume that our charge is 1 coulomb. N he has given. Which unit of charge contain 6 point electrons? Now N we have to find. Now N into E. It is coming from this equation. What is such an electric charge? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. So what N? 1 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 equal to N. If you divide this, 1 divided by 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19, it gives 6.25 multiplied by 10 to the power 18 electrons. 18 electrons. Okay. So it is which unit of charge contains? That is 1 coulomb of charge contains 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. Question number 24. Today's most of the questions are very simple questions, but these questions could make you confused. So it's always better to practice. Hello guys. All of you are there. Okay. Which electronics material opposes the movement of free electrons? Insulator opposes the free movement of free electrons. Okay. And today's last question. Question number 25. The charge of 1 coulomb is equal to. The charge of 1 coulomb is equal to charge of how many electrons? That is the question. The same thing, and we have already solved once more. Q equal to what? Number of electrons into charge of 1 electron. So, a 1 coulomb will have how many electrons? 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19. N equal to 1 divided by 1.6 to 10 to the power minus 19. You should understand this. This question can come in various different values, different forms. So 1 divided by 1.6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19. I am checking it once more whether it is coming correct or not. So all of you should practice. So it is 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons will provide 1 coulomb of charge. So friends, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you soon. See you soon. I'll come up with another topic. Thank you.